Are you waking up at night with painful leg cramps that make it hard to sleep? Do your calves tighten suddenly, forcing you to jump out of bed or rub your legs until the pain eases? Many seniors think this is just part of aging. But the truth is, there's one surprising mineral deficiency that could be the real cause. In this video, I'll reveal the #1 mineral deficiency behind night leg cramps in seniors. And more importantly, I'll show you the best foods and simple habits to restore your levels, so you can finally get restful, cramp-free sleep. Stay with me until the end, because the last tip I'll share is something almost anyone can do starting tonight. Before we start, welcome to Prime Vitality. If you are new here, consider hitting like and subscribe and turn on the bell, so you never miss our science-backed tips to protect your vitality as you age. Let's dive in. The mineral we're talking about is magnesium. And here's why that matters. Magnesium is essential for over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. It's responsible for relaxing your muscles after they contract. Without enough of it, your muscles tighten and spasm. And that's exactly what creates those painful night cramps. Think of your muscles like a light switch. Magnesium is what turns the switch off. But when you're deficient, your muscles get stuck in the on position, tight, stiff, and cramping, especially at night when your body is trying to rest. Unfortunately, research shows that as we age, magnesium levels naturally drop. Seniors also tend to take medications like diuretics or acid reflux pills that drain magnesium from the body. Add a diet low in magnesium, and the risk of cramps skyrockets. Low magnesium doesn't just cause cramps. It can also make your legs feel weak, shaky, or restless. Over time, it affects your bones, your heart, and even your sleep quality. That's why so many seniors who struggle with cramps also complain of fatigue and stiffness during the day. But here's the good news: correcting this deficiency is simple and often brings relief in just days or weeks. Let's go through the best foods and habits to restore your magnesium naturally. Food #1: leafy greens. Foods like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are nature's cramp fighters. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you nearly 40% of your daily magnesium. They also provide calcium, which supports your bones, and natural nitrates, which improve blood flow to your legs. Better circulation means fewer cramps and less stiffness. Tip: try adding a handful of greens to your breakfast omelet or blend them into a smoothie. Even small amounts daily can make a big difference. Food #2: nuts and seeds. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds are some of the best sources. They're easy to snack on, and just a small handful provides more magnesium than many supplements. They also deliver healthy fats and protein, which keep your muscles nourished and your energy steady throughout the day. Tip: keep a small jar of almonds or pumpkin seeds on your counter and grab a few instead of sugary snacks. Food #3: legumes and whole grains. This means beans, lentils, and whole grains like oats or quinoa. These foods provide not only magnesium, but also fiber and B vitamins, which help your muscles and nerves communicate properly. Together, they keep your legs steady, prevent painful spasms, and improve your overall energy. Tip: try swapping white rice with quinoa or add a lentil soup to your weekly menu. Little swaps like this can greatly improve your magnesium intake. Bonus tip: supplement carefully. Some seniors may need a magnesium supplement, especially if their doctor finds very low levels. But be cautious, too much magnesium can upset digestion. Always start with food first and talk with your doctor before taking any new pills. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like. It really helps us out, and don't forget to subscribe to Prime Vitality for more simple science-based tips to stay strong, healthy, and independent after 60. Thanks for watching. Here's to your cramp-free nights and vibrant days. See you in the next video.